Hello. I got another order. Kupa. Kupa. So they had another 40% off. The acrylic powder, the monomer, and the colored acrylic sale. So I got a couple. Let me see. I can't remember what I got. I got Beatrice Cupcake, which is the. And I got Beautifully Bare. That's their colored acrylic. And then I got 2 ounces of white, 8 ounces of cover pink, and 8 ounces of clear. Oh, I didn't get the speed clear. I thought I did. So, but yeah. So that's how much they were. Yeah, so it's 40% off. It's a good deal. Oh yeah, and look, wow, what do you know? It's a invoice. That's what this is. It's an invoice. Wow, really? An invoice. An invoice. Wow, what a novel thing. Yep, invoice. And another bonus. Cool. Awesome. But it's kind of light, and they're supposed to be 8 ounces, so. I'd like to pause this again. Just like I did last time. You have to pause it. So this is the 2 ounces. These are the colored acrylics. Okay. And these are the 8-ounce containers. Can I open anything? Let's go open this. Okay. Look, bubble wrap. Wow! In! No idea. Everyone makes me. That's what makes me very hesitant. Very hesitant about seriously? Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to pause it, unwrap everything, and then I'll be back. Okay, so again, bonus little file again. So this is Beautifully Bare, which I'll have to do a swatch video on. And then this is Beatrice Cupcake. See what they look like. They were all in, everything was in Ziploc bags. This is the Ziploc bag of the 2 larger ones. One of them was the 2-ounce container. One of them was the white, to colored acrylics from the other one, and they were all bubble wrapped. Yeah, and this is the bubble wrap for the larger containers. So, bubble wrap, Ziploc bags. Wow, what a novel idea. So this is just regular white that they have. Okay. I think the reason why maybe they do that is because these aren't shrink wrapped. And there's no, like, foam seal on them. At least I don't think there's one on this. Let me look. Look at this one. This one. One-handed. One-handed. Come on. Come on, you rat bastard. Ah. Oh, yeah, okay. The colored acrylics do have a foam. Piece of foam. But these guys don't. So this is the clear. So I needed clear, but I didn't want to get the really big honkin' 23 ounce, which again, 40% off, because they raised the price a little bit. So 40% off would be 34 now? Because it was 32 or 30, between 32 and 34. Now it's about 36. So $36 for 23 ounces. That's a good buy. The next best buy is getting Super Nail from their website, because their free shipping is $35, and I think their really big one with no discount is somewhere hovering around $40 for about 20 or 22 ounces, something like that, which is still a good buy. And Anastasia has said that she thinks it's one of the best systems in the world. So whether she still thinks that, I'm not sure, but she has said that. This is Cover Pink. Again, I'll have to do a little swatch with the colored acrylic to see exactly what it looks like. So, but yeah. So like I said before, you know, sign up for emails, because this was email only. You didn't see it on their Instagram page. This was email only. And I happened to see it. It was the night that Young Nails started their sale. And I thought, you know, I was thinking about getting Young Nails, and I had a few things in the cart, but I thought, wait, let me look at Kupa. And I said, yep, sale ends at midnight Pacific time. And I'm like, oh, really? Ooh, so it's 3 a.m. my time. I'm like, oh, okay, well, guess what I'm going to order from? 40% off versus a few things on sale. I'm like, yeah, and I need it clear, and I need a cover acrylic to do, like, you know, overlays and practice, and I wanted to try their white. Figure why not, you know, and if you're try 2 more colors, you know. So, but anyhow, yeah. So I'll do another video, and this way you can see what they look like. So anyhow, if you want, like, subscribe, and have a good day. Bye.